If you're seeing the Adobe Premiere Pro error retrieving frame message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by corrupted media cache, a problematic clip, GPU acceleration conflicts, low drive space, or a driver issue. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling your entire project. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting guides. Let's get into it. First, start by closing your project completely. Then go to Edit, Preferences, and Media Cache. In this menu, look for the option to delete your media cache files. Click Delete next to Remove Media Cache Files, and also clear any cache database files if you see that option. Premiere Pro builds up a lot of temporary files over time, and when those files become corrupted, they can trigger the error retrieving frame problem. Clearing the cache forces Premiere to rebuild clean files the next time you open the project. After that, reopen your project and check whether the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next thing to try is switching off GPU acceleration. Go to File, Project Settings, General, and look for the Renderer setting. If it is currently using GPU acceleration, change it to Mercury Playback Engine software only. This can instantly fix frame retrieval issues if your graphics card is causing instability. GPU acceleration is great for speed, but sometimes it can create problems with certain effects, drivers, or source files. Software-only rendering is a very useful test because it tells you whether the problem is hardware-related. If Premiere works normally after this change, then you've probably found the cause. Another common reason for this error is simply not having enough storage space. Check your C drive, or the drive where your cache and project files are stored, and make sure you have at least 10 to 20 gigabytes of free space. Premiere Pro needs room for previews, temporary renders, cache files, and background processing. If your drive is nearly full, the software may fail when trying to read or generate a frame. Deleting old files, moving large media off the drive, or emptying unused cache can make a big difference here. Now let's move on to one of the most effective fixes, rendering around the problem area. If Premiere gives you an error that mentions a specific timestamp, go directly to that point on your timeline. Set in and out points around the affected section, then go to Sequence and choose Render In to Out. This creates a preview render for that exact portion of the timeline and can bypass the broken frame that's causing trouble. If the issue appears during playback, export, or rendering, this step often gets you past the problem immediately. If only one clip is causing the error, that clip may be corrupt or unstable. A good workaround is to transcode it into a cleaner file format using another application like Handbrake, then import the new version back into Premiere Pro. You can also try creating proxies if the footage is high resolution or unusually heavy. Right-click the clip, go to Proxy, and select Create Proxies. Proxy files are easier for Premiere to handle and can prevent frame retrieval errors caused by difficult media. Another setting worth checking is your export configuration. In export settings, try switching from hardware encoding to software encoding, especially if the error happens during export. You can also test toggling Use Maximum Render Quality. Sometimes a combination of accelerated effects, GPU processing, and export settings can trigger frame read errors even when the timeline itself seems fine. If disabling hardware acceleration fixes the issue, that's a strong sign your GPU setup needs attention. And speaking of your GPU, the last major fix is to update or reinstall your graphics drivers. Whether you're using NVIDIA or AMD, make sure you have the latest stable driver installed. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are a very common cause of Adobe Premiere Pro frame errors, especially after Windows updates or graphics driver updates that didn't install properly. If the problem started recently, a clean reinstall of the driver can help even more than a normal update. So to recap, clear your media cache, switch to software-only rendering, make sure your drive has enough free space, render around the problem section, transcode or proxy the corrupt clip, check your export settings, and update your GPU drivers. Try these fixes in order, and in many cases, one of them will solve the issue completely. If this video helped you fix Adobe Premiere Pro error retrieving frame, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more editing tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.